How to install an SSL certificate in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to install an SSL certificate in Plesk. An SSL certificate would be necessary if you wanted to collect data from your web visitors securely, data such as credit card numbers and order forms. Click the certificate's icon. As you can see here, there are no SSL certificates installed for this account. Click Add New Certificate. Enter a name for the new certificate. Then complete the preferences fields as they pertain to you. Scroll down. Click the Request button when finished. Now let's go view the certificate request we just made. Scroll down. Click on the certificate name we just created. Scroll down. Here is where the certificate request and private key are located. You must copy this request and use it on your SSL certificate vendor's order form when purchasing your certificate. Scroll back up a little. Once you purchase your SSL certificate, this is where you would paste it. Then you would click this button here to install the SSL certificate. Click here to return to the home page. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to generate a certificate request and install a SSL certificate once you've purchased one. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.